Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2024 Ranger XD 1500 NORTHSTAR Ultimate. It's got the 6,000 pound winch, LED accent lights, the Cadona Cross Trail 8-ply tires. They look like they're around 60% tread. Electric power window doors, hydraulic dump bed, has the glass tip out windshield, electric window doors, touchscreen display with navigation and stereo. This machine's got 12,758 miles on it. 1,114 engine hours. I'm going to take another video of this getting started up, drove around. If you've got any questions, you can always call us at the dealership, 406-232-3300.